Welcome to our channel. If you want to keep your Apple Watch up to date with the latest features and security patches, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Check that your Apple Watch has at least 50% battery remaining. If not, place your watch on its magnetic charging cable before proceeding. Step 2. Ensure both your Apple Watch and your paired iPhone are connected to Wi-Fi. Swipe up on your watch face to verify the Wi-Fi icon is visible. Step 3. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. This dedicated app is used to manage all settings and updates for your Apple Watch. Step 4. Tap the My Watch tab located at the bottom of the screen, then select General from the settings list. Step 5. Tap Software Update to check for available updates. Your iPhone will contact Apple's servers to see if a new Watch OS version is available. Step 6. If an update is available, read the update description and new features. Then tap Download and Install to begin the update process. Step 7. When prompted, enter your iPhone passcode to authorize the installation. Keep your Apple Watch on its charger and near your iPhone during the update. Step 8. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Your Apple Watch will display a progress circle and restart automatically when finished. The update process may take 30 minutes or more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.